Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and transfer Telegram group members to another group. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and if without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. So for the matter, in case you have created or you saw encountered some kind of problems in your previous group and you want to all of your members to be in another group that you're going to create for the future purpose, what you gotta do is first simply you're gonna go ahead and create yourself a new group, right? Once you have created yourself a new group, you're gonna name it, and we have done. Now we need to add members for that purpose. So the simple way for you to be simply notifying all of your group members in the previous group that you will be creating a new group. That way that it will be easier for them. Or you can simply go ahead, tap on this add members, copy invite link, and you will go back and tap on any of your previous groups that were you active and that want those members in your new group. Go ahead, paste that particular link and simply send it and let them know that this is the new group and they're invited. That is the invite link. Once you tap on it, they will simply be able to join you in the new group like that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.